Hello, welcome to More Sound. Today we are reviewing the Durabrand alarm clock radio, AM and FM. The model of this is CR-500. We're going to see all the quality of the radio function. This one seems to have better reception and it's also louder than the other two. That was a demonstration of the audio quality of this. Now let's try out the alarm clock function. It just went off. And just like the others, you can press the snooze to stop it. That concludes our review of the Durabrand AM FM digital alarm clock radio model CR-500. Thank you for shopping at More Sound. I hope you will continue to shop at More Sound for years to come. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel. We only have 88 subscribers. Also, and like always, shop with us on our stores. Linked on the link tree. Goodbye.